Hop, Assalomu alaykum do'stlar. Xush kelibsizlar meni kanalimga va umid qilamanki, subscribe bo'lishni unutmaysizlar. Bunda ham tushunarli, aniq qilib keltiriladi. Har bitta skilllarni ko'rib chiqamiz va eng ko'p o'quvchilarda muammo bo'layotgan ingliz tilida, readingda ayniqsa, IELTS sectionda, reading sectionda shunday qism borki, o'quvchilarda shu ko'rsa yuragi orqa tortadigani. Bularning asosiy sababi birinchidan grammatikani yaxshi bilmasligidan. Va ikkinchi sababi lug'at boyligi. Demak, birinchi sababi grammatika yaxshi emas, ikkinchi sababi lug'at boyligi yaxshi emas. Grammatika yaxshi, lekin hali ham tekstlarni tushunmayapti, sababi lug'at boyligi yaxshi emas. Va uchinchi sababi, men mana shu uchinchisi bilan ishlamoqchiman sizlar bilan. To'g'ri texnikani qo'lga olmaydi. Ba'zi bir o'quvchilar qiynaladi. Buning asosiy sababi ular odatda har xil o'quv markazida har xil talqin qilinadi va lekin borgan sari daraja ko'tarilgan sari bilamizki, o'quvchilarni ingliz tilidagi salohiyati ko'tarilgan sari har xil manbalardan, sourcelardan ingliz tilida matnlarda, passajlarni o'qishni boshlaydi va ularning salohiyati oshib boradi. Lekin shunda ham matching heading kelganda baribir muammoga uchraydi. Shuni bir nechta reading passagelarda faqatgina shu headinglarni ko'rib chiqqan bo'lamiz. Inshaalloh mana bugun birinchisi hisoblanadi. Spontaneous attempt. Spontaneous attempt bo'lib, sizlar bilan to'g'ridan-to'g'ri instantly shu zahoti o'zida qilinadi. Inshaalloh 10 minut ichida shu narsani tushuntirishga harakat qilaman. Xo'p, do'stlar, aytib o'tganimdek, grammatika va so'z boyligi yaxshi bo'lgan o'quvchilarni bu videoda ko'rishga tavsiya qilaman. Sababi bu ikkosini yaxshi bilsanglar, o'zingizga ishonch hosil qilasiz. Mana shu texnika haqiqatdan ham yaxshi texnika ekan va shuni qo'llab ko'rsam, albatta readingdagi matching heading muammosi hal bo'ladi degan o'zingizga ishonch hosil bo'ladi va keyinchalik readinglarda o'zlashtirish oson bo'ladi. Xo'p, buning birinchi qilinadigan ishi, keling texnikalarni men sizlarga aytib o'tsam. The first thing that we have to do is, of course, when you look at these matching headings, the first thing you have to do, please do not read any kind of list of headings or any kind of paragraphs. The first thing that you should do is this one. That means about the title. If you try to understand what the title says, and if this title let's say push you to imagine kind of different ideas or events or past experience that maybe you have read about this topic, right? You have to formulate any kind of ideas that can be, let's say, that can be true or let's say correct or incorrect. And then maybe it's against any kind of reading passage that you come across here. But anyway, you have to imagine, you have to visualize what the title is about, what the text is about. The first thing. Then let me write here. And the first one is I told you, first step. Sorry. First step. What is the first step here? As I told you, read the title carefully. Read the title carefully. Do not hasten your own thoughts. Do not hasten your mind. Stick to the title. What is it about? Think about it deeply. And the next one is, the next thing, please do not read any kind of paragraph. Stop here. Read the title and go back to this list of headings. And as you can see here, we have got the list of headings from 1 to 10, right? Roman numbers here we can see, but the most important thing about what is inside, right? So, list of headings. My technique is very easy. Just read the title and come back to list of headings. Now, what should we do with this list of headings? Stop. shu yerda to'xtaymiz. Early list of headingda birma-bir o'qib tarjima qilib. Early years of Gilbert. Gilbertning birinchi yillari. Nima demoqchi bu bilan? O'ylab ko'rsam, Gilbertning birinchi yillari, demak, bolaligi, yoshligi, qayerda o'qiganligi, maktabda o'qigan, institutda o'qigan, kollejda o'qigan, universitet bitirgan va hokazo shu davrni o'z ichiga oladi. Shuncha early years dedimi, o'ylangki, demak, muvaffaqiyatli bo'lguncha yoki muvaffaqiyatli bosqichda bosib o'tguncha bo'lgan prosesni aytayotgan bo'lishi mumkin. O'ylab ko'raman va bu narsalarni chuqur o'ylab shuncha vaqt ketkazganmanmi degan o'y kelishi mumkin sizga. Do'stim, bu narsa bir marta malaka bo'lgandan keyin bu narsani xayolda tezlashtirish kerak va tezda o'tkazib yuboradi. Early years, it's about the school years, institute years, college years, in the institute, and all of them is about what Gilbert's early years. The next one, what was new about his scientific research method? Yangilik. What was new? Nima yangi bo'ldi? Nima yangilik bo'ldi? Nima yangilik? Scientific research method demak, u qanaqadir metodika qo'llagan va shu metodikasida yoki bo'lmasa oldingi ko'rgan metodikalardan nimasidir boshqacha, nimasidir yangilik. Ya'niki oldingi umuman olamshumul narsani topdi, oldingi metodlar ish bermadi, hozirgisi boshqacha bo'ldi va muvaffaqiyatli chiqdi degan so'zlar bilan bo'ladi. Development of chemistry, kimyoning rivojlanib ketishi. Kimyoning rivojlanishi haqida laboratoriyada o'tkazilgan va har xil turdagi olimlar har xil laboratoriyada eksperimentlar o'tkazgan va eksperimentlar natijasida shunday topilmalar topishgan deb biz o'zimiz o'ylab olamiz. Questioning the traditional astronomy, an'anaviy astronomiya faniga savol berish. Demak, u oldindan bu mavjud bo'lgan bilimlarga nimaga bu shunday yoki teoriyalarga yoki aytaylik aksiomalarga nimaga xuddi shunday bo'lgan, bunday bo'lsa bo'lmasmidi degan yoki o'zi boshqachasi bo'lishi mumkin degan savollarni ko'ndalang qo'ygan bo'lishi mumkin. Pioneers of the early science, pionerlar, dastlabki ilm fandagi pionerlar deganda birinchi biror narsani, the first doers, birinchi qiluvchilar. Demak, pionerlar dedimi, dastlabki ixtirochilar va topganlar. And professional and social recognition, ham professional jihatdan va ijtimoiy jihatdan recognition degan tan olinishi, bu yerda olam butun dunyoga tan olinishi yoki bo'lmasa shu davlat ichida mashhur bo'lishi. Becoming the president of the Royal Science Society, ya'ni Royal Science Society jamiyatning prezidenti bo'lishi. Prezident bo'ldi, saylandi, kutib olishdi, buni muvaffaqiyatlar taqdirlandi va sekin-astalik bilan u prezidentlik darajasiga yetib keldi degan gaplar bo'lishi kerak. And the great works of Gilbert. Bu yerda work degani do'stlar asar ma'nosiga keladi, yozilgan asarlar. Gilbertning eng buyuk asarlari. His discovery about magnetism, ya'ni magnet haqidagi buyuk kashfiyoti. His charge of change of focus va uning e'tiborini boshqa narsaga qaratish, demak bir narsadan ikkinchi narsaga qaratdi deyish. Do'stlar, demak ikkinchi qiladigan ishimiz bizda read the list of headings. Number 3, we have finished with this one. Now we are going to read these each paragraph one by one, step by step, little by little. Try to understand carefully. Do not hasten. Do not rush. Please hold on. All right. Take a deep breath. Calm down. Relax. Everything is okay. The first thing we have to do, we have to master the skill of matching heading. First, pay attention to this one. Don't forget about other things, right? That can distract you from learning deeply. And William Gilbert magnetism. Buni haqida o'qib oldik va endi paragrafdan boshlayman. The 16th and 17th century saw two great pioneers of modern science. Galileo and Gilbert. The impact of their findings is eminent. Gilbert was the first modern scientist who accredited the father of the science of electricity, magnetism, and Englishman of learning and physician at the court of Elizabeth. Prior to him, all that was known of electricity and magnetism was that ancients knew nothing more than the Lodestone. Now, it's all about what the two great pioneers of modern science. That means A paragraph is about what? Which one?